It's time to stop creating videos the hard way. Harness the most powerful AI technology to write, record, and fully create profit-producing videos for any niche. Comes with an agency license so you can do this for clients too. GPT-4-Powered Whiteboard video creation software designed to produce profits for your business. Create AI-generated whiteboard videos in any niche quickly. Generate unlimited jaw-dropping, traffic-pulling whiteboard sales videos, business ads, product promos, informational videos, squeeze page vids, explainers, and tutorial videos like magic. Lightning-fast high-quality video script creation inside the same app. Drive more buyer traffic to your websites, channels, blogs, and offers. Get viral traffic by posting these whiteboard videos on trending topics and on social media. Zero special skills required. Manage all your video creation inside one single dashboard. Wave goodbye to outsourcing expenses and freelancers. Be your own video making wizard. ROI Rocket Fuel. Buckle up for a mind-blowing ROI of 500% or more. Asterisk not guaranteed, but we've certainly seen it. Launch your own AI business and ascend to higher levels of online wealth with the agency license. PLR producers can use this to craft high-quality training courses that sell like hotcakes. Dominate your market and crush your competitors with this world-class technology. Rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. Boost your online social media game. With our world-class GPT-4-powered video creation AI tech, which writes, records, and creates trending AI viral whiteboard sales videos, explainer, informational, product promos, business ads, and other videos, and gets you limitless views, traffic, and sales like these, on complete autopilot. It crafts mesmerizing whiteboard videos that leave a lasting impression. No design skills required, simply drag, drop, and customize to create professional-grade videos. And this is just a fraction of what VidPalAi can do. Option 1. If you have an existing base of customers or subscribers, now you can instantly create GPT-powered whiteboard videos for their projects and get paid handsomely. Option 2. If you are a newbie, now you have a smoking hot, advanced AI video creation tool. You can sell these services to thousands of biz owners, professionals, content creators all around the world. Attract buyers from any niche. Attention dear marketers. This is perhaps the most important information you will read this year. If you are serious about making serious income with the hottest AI technology heading into 2024 and beyond, then read on with care. Did you know online videos have an audience reach of 92% among internet users worldwide? Video is by far the most popular medium of our time. People simply love watching video content. In 2023, people are watching an average of 17 hours of online video per week. Not just that, videos are the topmost lead generators and powerhouse of profits for businesses. 91% of businesses rely on video marketing for sales and income. Success rate of video-backed campaigns have proven to be highest. You can see, whiteboard videos, explainers, tutorial videos, product reviews, and educational videos have staggering potential to bring in huge sales and profits. Top successful brands use whiteboard videos as a valuable tool in their content marketing arsenal and for raking in millions of followers, increasing leads and conversions. Brace yourself for some mind-blowing numbers. TED's whiteboard videos have garnered millions of views, significantly boosting their brand and educational impact. Dropbox use explainer whiteboard videos to explain about their product and service, skyrocketed its users, going from 100K members all the way up to 4 million. Crazy Egg used whiteboard videos to educate and explain how to use their tool. Increased website conversions by 64%, plus it's racked up over 1.5 million views. And it's easy to get a piece of that huge pie. Ultimately, all of this leads to extreme burnout and loss of business and profits. Create professional-looking, traffic-pulling whiteboard videos in hot-selling niches all by yourself without spending a fortune on outdated AI apps and freelancers that don't deliver results. It's easy and quick. As you'll see in the demo, this is a full-featured app, and we created high-quality professional videos as samples in the demo. Why work hard when you can work smart with ChatGPT-4 and VidPalAi? With these amazing benefits, you can literally outsource all your video creation tasks to our fully automated app and not pay a penny more here and there. Yes. There is no monthly fee for using VidPalAi, if you join now during the launch special. It comes at a one-time low price to empower businesses like yours to make revolutionary income. We are sure you don't have anything like this in your marketing arsenal. AI script creation for videos. An AI tool that instantly generates highly engaging video scripts for your products, ads, services, courses, and landing pages, for any topic. Just enter a few product details, click the button, and your script is ready in seconds. Quickly convert it into a stunning video with a few clicks in the Whiteboard video generator. Sales videos, just enter product details. Videos for business ads, enter business name, type, content. Informational videos, enter topic. Product promotional videos, enter product URL, name, type, info. Videos for squeeze page, enter freebie name, type, audience level. Explainer and tutorial videos, enter course name, type. Create videos directly from image URLs. This allows you to instantly turn images from anywhere on the web into videos. Go to import and add URLs from where you want images. Add URLs and load images. Once you are done, you can convert them into a video. Easy to use video editor. Tasks that take hours using standard video editors are reduced to just a few simple clicks. Here, you can add/remove watermarks, logo, add text, crop, trim, and edit the videos in so many ways. Generate thumbnails, speed, rotate, trim, reverse, edit videos. Add background music, animation, voiceover, watermarks, etc. Perform text alignment, top/bottom/left/right/no alignment. Auto slide break and auto line break. We make it easier for you. Slide breaks and line breaks are automated. Just copy the script in the text box and hit generate. No need to do it manually. In other words, the app automatically generates the slides for you. You can edit them if you wish. Edit videos uploaded from local PC with built-in editor. This is an incredible feature which lets you edit any video that you upload locally from your PC. Just upload the video file from your PC into the editor, edit and create a new video from it. These services are selling like crazy on freelancing sites.